Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you also fine, taking care of yourself, enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy, enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amin. Today in this video I am going to show you most beautiful, amazing and stylish crochet neck warmer designs, different style, different design, different color combination in front of you one by one. So hope so you understand all the design, all the ideas you see in my YouTube channel. Many different patterns about crochet work, handwork, knitting work. Please visit my channel and see more ideas and ask me in comment section with type of new video. If you more ideas, if you want any confusion and if you want any question about crochet work, you ask me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment and I will explain you in comment section. So dear friends, these designs are so beautiful and amazing collection. Those ladies who love that type of crochet neck warmer designs, different style, different design, different ideas in front of you one by one. We have designer, as you can order and get amazing crochet neck warmer designs and other material. You know guys, crochet is always most beautiful, stylish, expensive also. So I suggest you to watch this video, tell there for more ideas. Thanks for watching my video that I have uploaded daily routine for you. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will got all the notification of my channel and my uploading videos. Please remember me in your prayers. Stay happy, stay blessed, keep supporting me. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz and take care. Goodbye.